Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about a bird called Finches. Yeah, one's name is Big Mouth and another's name is Puffin, but not these three. Yeah, these two. The bird with a big mouth is named Big Mouth and next to Big Mouth is Puffin. They were born in July 29, 2021. Flying Finches. Yeah, Puffin just flied his first flight. Wow! Birds fly by flapping their wings. When they flap their wings, they push air down. And when they take their wings up, they take air again. That's how birds fly. Eating food. Here's Puffin is going to get food from his father. Wow! Incredible! Isn't that cute? Let's give some water to these birds. First, let's unlock the cage. Yeah. Let's take over the net. Open the cage. Take the bowl. Let's first clean it. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, last time. And let's put the bowl into there. Let's lock the cage and finish. Wild finches eat insects, nectar, seeds, fruits and berries. You can buy Finches food online. Crying Finches. Here's our buddy Big Mouth is crying. How sad. Pet birds need their people or other birds to keep them happy, or they will cry. Finches lifespan. Finches lifespan is 11 years and 7 months. But not all birds have a short lifespan. The macaw has 100 years lifespan. Before going, hit that subscribe button, comment and like. And bye-bye.